everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a setup at the Antel land Clubhouse in Cavite. A client is celebrating their 60th birthday, and we were chosen as the supplier for their party. For this event, we will be setting up a 9x12 LED wall along with our lights and sound system. Come and join us as we show you how we professionally and efficiently set up our equipment while enjoying the work we do. In this video, you will see the entire process, from the beginning of the setup all the way through the completion of the event. Before we begin, we would like to ask for your support by subscribing to our channel and sharing our videos to help us grow. Now let's get started. In this video, you will see the typical tasks that suppliers perform during ingress. We always make sure to arrive at the venue early to avoid any unexpected issues and to ensure that we do not interfere with the preparations for the party. Our team arrived early so that we could finish the setup ahead of time. That has always been our approach. Arrive early, finish early, and get some well-deserved rest afterward. While waiting for the venue to open, we took the opportunity to catch up and chat with our fellow suppliers. Once the venue was opened, we started bringing in our equipment one by one and placing everything in its designated location. This helps us avoid moving items around later and saves time and effort. After all the equipment was inside the venue, we began assembling our setup. Each team member had a specific responsibility. Some handled the audio system, others worked on the lighting, and the rest focused on the LED wall. Assigning tasks in this way helps speed up the work and prevents confusion among the crew. Even so, once someone finished their assigned task, they immediately helped the team members who were still working so that we could complete everything on time. As a result, we finished the setup smoothly, efficiently, and without wasting any time. All equipment was properly installed, positioned correctly, and secured to ensure the safety of all guests. Safety is always one of our top priorities. That is why every crew member is fully aware of the safety guidelines and restrictions that must be followed. Once all the equipment was in place, We conducted sound checks, lighting checks, and visual checks to make sure everything was working properly. Thanks to God, everything went smoothly and according to plan. To all our viewers around the world, if you have any suggestions on how we can improve our services or our content, please leave a comment and share your thoughts with us. Your feedback helps us continue to grow and improve. To everyone who continues to support us, thank you very much. We truly appreciate your continued viewership and support. Watching our videos helps our page grow, and for that, we are sincerely grateful. To everyone who watched until the end, thank you so much. To our followers and even those who are not yet following us, if you learned something or simply enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for our upcoming uploads. We look forward to seeing you again in our next video. That's all for now. Thank you and God bless.